Hey guys, this is Erika Slayton, and there is no place like home. My name is Erika, and I work with Wallach and Volk Mortgage with the Slayton Lending Group. And I'm coming to you today to talk about the benefits of owning your own home that are not necessarily financial. Because yes, you can make money when you buy and sell real estate. When you hold real estate, your value goes up, your pocketbook gets bigger. That is something that we all know about. We've experienced ourselves if we've owned a home before. There's also sometimes the downs, and the downturns do happen. But fortunately for us, real estate historically has been a better investment versus the stock market. That's one of the reasons why you want to own a home. But that's not why we're here. We're here to talk about the benefits of owning a home that are non-financial related. So first things first, let's talk about my number one reason, and that is pride of ownership. I love making money on homes when I sell them. But I even more so love being able to walk through the door every single day knowing that this place is mine. When I walk through my front door knowing this is a safe place for my family, it's comfortable, it's my cozy little nest, and it's mine. That's the reason why I want to buy a house when I do, to make it my own. But there's also more to it than pride of ownership. That's the first reason. The second reason has to do with community. And that's the other benefit that I personally experience from owning my own home. My community is amazing that I live in. I've had some great neighborhoods before, and I've had some not so great neighborhoods before. But you definitely can get some insight from your real estate agent as far as the community and the subdivision and what you're buying into. I can tell you that I personally have forged relationships and friendships with people that I will keep for the rest of my life. Same thing with my kids. They have relationships and friendships that they'll be able to keep for the rest of their lives that live in our neighborhood. That is civic participation. That community, that sense of togetherness is something that we're missing these days because of social media. That frenzy of social media and all of our friends aren't really somebody that we could just call if we have a flat tire on the side of the road, like I can with some of my neighbors and friends. So that's civic participation. That's benefit number 2. There's also a benefit from an educational achievement perspective for your kids. If you have children ages 3 to 12, by being a homeowner, there's actually studies out there that say that their math and reading test results are actually better because you own a home. Reason number 3, giving your kids a better education, so to speak, and better achievement. The fourth is because 47% of homeowners use their own home equity to pay off debt rather than having to rely on the government. So that therefore reduces our deficit. Number 4. That's a great one because you have home equity. You can use it to pay off debt if you need to later on down the line. 5, if you live in a house, your mental health is better. You're not so crazy. That's because it's yours. Believe it or not, when I rented an apartment, I walked in and I actually felt gloomy. And the reason I felt gloomy was because it wasn't mine. Knowing that every single month when I was writing that check, I was paying somebody else's mortgage, not my own. That, believe it or not, did cause me to feel a little bit down on a regular basis. So by owning my own home, I'm actually happier and more happy. Better mental health. Number 5. The other reason is because it's easier to budget for. So I'm going to hit the money for just a second again. It's easier to budget for, which gives you better peace of mind, right? That's another kind of contributing factor to mental health. But it has to do with the fact that your cost of owning don't increase, generally speaking, to the increases that we're seeing in rent, which means it's easier for you to budget for it. Less stress, more peace of mind. So that has to do, number 6. Number 7 has to do with better and more privacy. I mean, let's face it. When you're in an apartment, you can hear your neighbor vacuuming, you can hear your neighbor banging on the door, there are people banging on their door, you can hear everything going on. You can hear their garage door open if they have garages. It's not private. And when you have your own home, it's private. It's a great feeling. Kind of leads back to that pride of ownership, really. So that's number 7. And number 8, if you happen to be an employer and you have employees, they are statistically shown to be more stable if they own their own home. So there you have it. 8 great reasons and great benefits to owning your own home that have not really anything to do with finances. The money will come, you retain, and you hold on to that real estate long enough, that baby will make you money. Remember, there's ups and downs when it comes to real estate. Not as significant as what we see in the stock market, but real estate has so many other benefits other than money. So I hope that this has kind of shed some light for you. If you need other data or information, or maybe just to dip into your credit to see how prepared you are to buy, my contact information is down below. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for me too, so I can keep you posted on my new videos. With that being said, my name is Erika Slayton with Wallach & Volk Mortgage and the Slayton Lending Group. Keep watching, and definitely you want to become a homeowner. Make it a great one, and thanks for watching. Bye.